Get ready, cause we're about to make a roasted corn salsa so good you'll want to put it on everything. Seriously, I even put it on my hot dog. Husk your corn and toss them straight into an air fryer preheated to 400 degrees. Give them a quick spray of oil, hit them with some salt, and then let the air fryer do its thing for 10 minutes. Now dice up 1/2 of a red onion, 1 jalapeno, 1 clove of garlic, chop up a 1/4 cup of cilantro, crack open a lime and put the juice in, then add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Set that aside and back to our corn. Once it's cooked, let it cool for a minute while we set up our hack. Take your smallest bowl and put it upside down inside your biggest bowl. Stand the corn up and slice straight down. Kernels fall right in, clean, fast, no mess. Pretty slick, huh? Now combine everything and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it all up and you get this. Look at that. The sweetness from the corn, the acid from the lime, the little bit of heat from the jalapeno, it's the perfect bite. Pile it on tacos, grilled chicken, your breakfast eggs, or just eat it with chips. Seriously, it goes on anything. This recipe is so easy, you have no excuses. You have to make this.